This 2010 GMC came in no start no crank. Welcome back to my channel. We are working on a 2010 GMC Canyon, engine size 2.9 liter. Canyon engine size is also available in 3.7 liter and 5.3 liter. First, we scanned this vehicle, and you can see on the cluster there is showing traction error, ABS light is on, and the airbag light on. In the scanner, we didn't get any code related to the starting issue. The radio is working, signal lights working. It's very interesting Diagnose video. You can see GMC lays out an easy fuse block diagram with labeled when turning the ignition key to the start position. I didn't hear any clicking noise near the starter relay or starter solenoid. A clicking noise without the starter engaging typically indicates a faulty relay. Then I decided to swap the starter relay, and I thought it was an easy fix. I swapped the relay. It's still same issue, no start, no crank. It's getting late today. I will pull out the wiring diagram tomorrow. We'll see you in the next video, and we will find out if the relay is getting power or not. Thank you. See you in the next video. If you guys have any suggestions or the same issues like this, let me know in the comment below, please.